How to set screen flash notification colors for different apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In Quick Settings, tap on the Settings icon. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Advanced Settings. Now scroll down to the Notification section and tap on Flash Notification. In here, if you select all apps, then all of them will share the same color for the screen notifications. So if you want to set a separate color for each of the different apps, you select Selected Apps. Then tap on the Settings icon. In here, scroll down the list and choose which apps can use the screen flash notifications. And then on the side here, once you select it, tap on the color button and you can choose the screen flash color. So here will be pink. Tap on done. For WhatsApp, I will choose really pink. Tap on the preview button and you can see what it looks like. And for TikTok, tap on that and then tap on the preview button and that's what it looks like. So here, tap on preview and that's what the color of what it looks like for screen flash notifications. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.